So what I want to do right now is create some labels with leather to put on these hats. I got these stamps from Amazon, and this is the first time I'm going to use them. So this is pretty much a big experiment for me. But I have a mallet I got from my husband's garage, and I just want to use X's and O's. So I'm going to do XO, XO and see how that works out. I want to try to keep it nice and straight and even and see how it works. Oh, it does go in. And I'm going to put the O next to it. And another X. I'm just winging this, by the way. I never did it before. XO, XO. Not too bad, shabby. It came out pretty good. Wow. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I'm just going to cut it nice and straight. As straight as I can anyway. And equal on this side. I'm going to trim the corners just a tad. And I'm just eyeballing it all. I don't know. Nothing crazy. And then I bought this cool tool, which is a leather punch. And I want to use it on the smallest setting. So I got to come all the way around to this setting. That looks good. Should I do 2 holes or 1? You know what? I'm going to do 2, 1 in each corner. We'll see how I like it. 1. 2. That's 2. Well, it's not too bad. 2 more. Works pretty good, actually. 4. And there we have 4 holes with the XOXO. And then here's a hat. Maybe you can envision how that'll look on the hat. I think it'll look adorable. XOXO. So I just finished sewing the XOXO onto 2 of my hats that I made. And I think that it came out really adorable. I was thinking about making the XOXO darker, but I actually like it the way it is. I think it looks nice. It works. To sew it on, I just used a cotton. This is the same waxed cotton. It's like a faux sinew, and it works great. I use it for the birch bark baskets. It's inexpensive and it's very strong. So that's what I use to sew it on, and I think they look really nice. All right, thanks. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.